What is in this box gives you the freedom to be able to cut through all of the setup that it often takes to install a CNC control software in your own computer and gives you a guaranteed or your money back control. Let's explore. Today, we are going to unbox the Altair 300. This is a pre-licensed, pre-set up CNC control with Mach Pro all ready to go out of the box, where you can just connect it to your existing motion controller, if it's a compatible motion controller, or connected to the M31 motion controller. Let's open it up and see. We're gonna go ahead and just cut the tape here to open this box. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and pull out the control. This Altair 300 gives you the ability to be able to add your own keyboard and mouse and place it exactly where you want it on your machine. Rather than having to go with the full experience of the Orion that has the operator panel and everything, the Altair gives you the ability to be able to put this in your machine, on your desk, and in the electrical enclosure, wherever you want. But feel the quality of this control. This is a heavy duty control designed, pre-set up to run Mach Pro beautifully and simply. I'll just go through a little bit of the overview of what you see here. You have your 24-volt input. It runs on 24 volts DC here. If you wanted a backup supply, you could. Most people are not going to use that. For your monitor, you have HDMI or VGA. You have 4 USB ports for keyboard and mouse. You have 4 network adapters. One would be for your M31. Another could be for your Modbus, Ether, TCP Modbus devices on your network. One could be for internet. And then you have a spare. And then it even comes with a serial port. But this is the Orion 300. This gives you the simplicity of not having to go through the licensing, the setup of getting the software running on your computer, but gets you a jump start on getting your machine running. MachLabs exists to be able to give you the freedom to create your way. Thanks so much.